AI is completely changing the world in 2026. Millions of people are using these powerful tools daily. Today, we reveal the top 5 AI tools you need now. Number 1 is ChatGPT 5 by OpenAI. It writes emails, code, and full business plans fast. Millions of professionals use it to save hours daily. This tool alone can replace multiple expensive software subscriptions. Number 2 is Runway ML for AI video generation. You can create stunning videos from simple text prompts. Content creators use it to produce viral videos fast. It saves thousands of dollars in production costs every month. Number 3 is Perplexity AI for smart research and answers. It searches the web and gives accurate sourced responses instantly. Students and researchers rely on it for deep analysis work. It is faster and smarter than any traditional search engine today. Number 4 is Jasper AI, built for marketers and businesses. It generates high-converting ad copy and blog content quickly. Teams use Jasper to scale their content output by 10 times. It learns your brand voice and keeps messaging consistent every time. Number 5 is Midjourney Vi 7 for stunning AI image creation. Designers and brands use it to generate professional visuals instantly. You can create logos, ads, and artwork without any design skills. This tool is a game changer for creative professionals worldwide. These 5 AI tools will keep you ahead in 2026. Subscribe to King Tech World for more powerful tech content. Drop a comment below and share your favorite AI tool.